How's it going, YouTube? South Park 209 here, and this is my Holden Commodore VT. Looks shit, yeah, I know. Wheels, not even the right wheel. Chuck some new ones on. What kind of shit is that? I got it for free though, so you know, he can argue. But I told my brother to have a look at it, and well, he did, and the idiot ripped out everything. So yeah, look. But when I told him to put it back together, he was doing it, but then he doesn't know what that cord is there. He doesn't know how to arch it. Oh. It's the airbag sensor. No, they're Holden 981 and Germany airbag sensor, and then all this wiring harness. But then when he was doing this, he doesn't know what this cord is. Let's have a look at it. Comes down, goes under, so there's a black strip there that connects, goes under the carpet, and then it's there. It looks like that all the way up there, and then yeah, it's on this side and it's on this side. That's just the wires, just all like flattened. It goes up right into there, right there, as you can see, and he doesn't know where this one goes to. And if you can see that, there you go. That too connects there, connects up to yellow, goes to the airbag sensor, and then yeah, we got this, but we just need to know, he just needs to know where this goes. If you can leave a comment below or message me in my account, or you know, video response, that'll be great, just to telling me where this goes. Or do I need to hook it up to this? Is there like a wire in there that I need to hook it up to? So yeah, just leave a comment or something like that. So thanks.